Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can upload Canva designs to your Google Drive. So without any further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, I am going to work with this one. Just click this one and I just want to upload this design on my Canva platform, on my Google Drive platform. So here you just need to click the options called the share. Like here you will get the eventual options, so click on to the share, and then you just need to click on see all. Then here you just need to click Google Drive, and you just need to connect your Google Drive with the Canva. Just click this one, and then eventually you just need to select your email address, which Google Drive you are using or opening. Then just click the continue. Once you click over here, then select all, and then again click to the continue, and actually it will done. Now you can upload this one. So here you will eventually get all this necessary thing. Like you just need to choose, it may be PNG, PDF, whatever you can. You just need to click to the save. Like let's go, we are going to do with the PDF one. So I will click on the new home and come back this one, and I will choose an image in here. Let's say we are going to do this one, and we are going to upload this one into the Google Drive. Just click share, then see all, just click Google Drive, and then eventually click to the save. You just need to click to the save, and it will be preparing your design. Do one thing every day that scares you, even learner result, and your design has been saved. So you are successfully saved your design on Google Drive. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next video.